So this is how to swap headrests on these old first gen and early second gen up to 1994 style headrests on Panther cars. So inside here, inside the back of the seat, there is a little spring clip. You get a flat blade screwdriver back in there, and you can pry on that clip. With the clip released, you can just pull out the headrest, and then you can just slide in a new headrest, upgraded from the tube point, from the shorter brick style that only goes up and down, to this taller style which goes up and down a little bit, but more importantly it's able to pivot back and forth, give you a little more comfort, and it's a taller headrest. I prefer that. Yes, this back cover is just held on with these trim fasteners that slot into these holes. My panel just kind of came off the fasteners instead of the fasteners coming out of the seat, so I'm going to use the trim removal tool to yank these out, reset them in the panel, and then stick the panel back on.